the exciting world of earning money online just by copying and pasting image. In today's tutorial, I want to show you a great website that you can use to start making money online. So stay with me until the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Maybe like me, you probably love the way I can turn unique and eye-catching patterns into a work of art on any surface. A great patterns can really make a product stand out and sell like hotcakes. You may be surprised if I tell you that you can create your own unique template with just a few clicks without the need for design expertise. You can produce with tools for changing and creating patterns and equipped with artificial intelligence. And the best part is that you have the rights related to them. For this purpose, you must first enter the pattern platform and create an account. It provides you with a wide range of options and colors, shapes, and textures that you can combine with each other to create a unique pattern that is totally unique. It reflects your point of view. However, to create your template, it's all yours. You own full right to it. You can use it in any way you see fit. There are so many possibilities. We'll show you how you can make money with this amazing tool here. The best part is that there is no limit to what you can do make your own pattern. The demand for unique designs is always high. There has never been a better time to get creative and start producing. Have you own pattern? So now that you've heard all about incredible possibilities that pattern.ai has to offer, let's show you how to get started. The first step is that you have to register on this site. Then click on the top right button and register. Enter the email address and password you filled in and click on the register button. Using this technology, you can create a unique and customized template that will surely stand out from the rest. The point is that you need to top up your account with at least $10. Use this site. In this, we can enter the details of your design, such as colors, shapes, and your style. Are you looking to create a bold and graphic pattern with bright neon colors? Describe this pattern at home using this creative language of convey the style you want. You want a geometric pattern with neon blue, pink and green triangle arranged in a random pattern. When you enter your description, press the button. You will definitely be surprised by the speed and accurately. The result will appear on the right side. If you are satisfied with the result, save it. But the next platform you can use to make free patterns, patternmakerai.com. This platform also works using artificial intelligence. But the difference between this artificial intelligence and the previous one is that here you can have 6 free coins for pattern design after description. It is very easy to work with this artificial intelligence. In this box, you enter the description of your pattern, or if you are interested, you upload a photo to be simulated as a pattern for you. But in the next step, you have to sell your designs. We use the Etsy platform. There are countless ways to make money with these patterns thanks to the high demand for unique designs. One of the easiest ways to start creating products with your patterns and selling them an Etsy is to start a small business and selling handmade or unique items with print-on-demand services. You can create a wide range of products, such as pillowcase, without the need to invest in expensive equipment and materials when producing products. The possibilities are endless. You can create anything from clothes to home decor item or even phone case and laptop covers, whatever your products. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.